Let me show you guys how to properly debadge your cars. So we're going to be removing the 3.3 right here, the all-wheel drive, and then on this side, the G70. We're going to keep the Genesis on here just because I like it. It's nice and clean. So what we're going to be using is this guy right here. It's a little wheel eraser, removes adhesive and random stuff. And then fishing line, depending on how badass the glue is, you could probably step up to something a little bit stronger. This might break, but it's the only one I have right now. And then this is just wax. Yeah, I'm just gonna wax the car after. So let's go. Just gonna take our fishing line and run it the back. It's a little warm right now too because I just parked the car outside, so this should help. And just run it back and forth, kind of like a little saw. Again, if you have like a crazy emblem that's been stuck on for a few years, you might want to get a thicker line, but as you can see, this already came off. Just leave that there. This is actually a pretty weak line. This came with my Walmart fishing rod. Funny story, I wanted to go fishing one time, so we bought fishing rods, and I've only used it one time, and this was about, I don't know, 4 years ago. Anyone want to go fishing? So as you can see, this works pretty quick. I know back in the day when I was younger, I didn't know anything about how to remove logos, and I used a pry tool, like a interior pry tool, and that is no bueno because it ends up messing things up. So as you can see, we took that off fairly quickly. Now, since this is still new, we might not need the eraser. So you just kind of work this and then pull sideways. So with double-sided tape, if you pull up, it fragments. If you pull sideways, it pulls itself off. Oh, there you go. We didn't even need the eraser. Very nice. Now, if you buy random emblems from, say, eBay or Amazon or whatever, they might come with white double-sided tape, and those are the ones that are a pain in the butt. But this one's actually not too bad. But the reason why I got that eraser is because sometimes these things won't come off clean like this. So after this, I'm just gonna hit it with glass cleaner, and then we'll use that carnauba wax. That wax is actually pretty good. It removes all the gunk right here. There you go. Glass cleaner. Wipe one way. Okay. So we're left with this stuff right here. This wax is from Smart Wax from a long ass time ago, and it's one of my favorites. And it removes a bunch of crap. I don't know why this is so good, but you could write on the car with a marker and this will take it off. So as you can see, I don't have that much wax on there, so I'm gonna add a little bit more, but dude, it's already coming off. This stuff is so good. Look at this. I think it's called butter wax. All right, so that. I'm gonna show you guys a video of the butter wax working pretty good on another segment, but I literally spray painted a car one time and the butter wax took it off, and then it adds a layer of wax on there, right? So let that haze, however long that takes, and then we're just gonna flip the rag over, give it a buff, and there you go. We're gonna do the same thing to the all-wheel drive side, and again, just work the fishing line like a little saw back and forth. This might break because, again, this thing is pretty weak, but oh, I'm lucky. No issues. Take the A off. Dude, this is actually working pretty good. The trick here is to move it back and forth like a saw. All right, you're not pulling through it. If you pull, it's probably gonna snap. It's probably gonna snap on this one right here because this one's pretty hefty. And since this is just nylon or whatever fishing line's made out of, it's not scratching anything. Oh, dude, very nice. There you go. I think I wasted some of your guys' time by telling you I was going to use the eraser, because it actually doesn't need the eraser. Look at that. Again, with these, pull sideways. do not pull straight up. If you pull straight up, it's gonna fragment. It's a pain in the butt. So it might still fragment, especially if it's cold. So don't try to remove double side tape when it's cold. If possible, just heat it up with a heat gun and then pull sideways. See that? I know it's like a poopy view, but I'm trying my best to show you. There you go. Probably also helps that this car is brand spanking new. It's only like, I don't know, 7 months old. Glass cleaner. Wipe one way. A little wax. This wax is the color of the rag, so it's kind of hard to see, but it's on there. Just pop it on there and just work it in circular motion. When I wipe down the car, I wipe it forward and back, the direction of the car, front to back. But when I'm trying to remove stuff like this, especially adhesive, then I do circular. Okay. All right. And there's a lot of wax on this rag. I'm just gonna spread it out here real quick. Then, once it's slightly dry, I'm just gonna buff it out. There you go. No scratches.